Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming network and power, because updates need a stable connection and enough storage. Once done, check settings device storage and free about 200 MB so the package installs cleanly. Next, open the TV App Store, get apps or Google Play depending on your Xiaomi model, because that's where app updates are delivered. You do this now to avoid background conflicts later. Make sure you're signed into the same account used to install apps. This prevents permission errors. You now find the app. Use search or go to My Apps Updates so you don't miss pending packages. Tap the app and choose Update. If Update is unavailable, open App Details to confirm the installed version and permissions, because sometimes a permission change blocks auto updates. If the store shows nothing, refresh its cache or use check for updates in store settings to force a new catalog fetch. Doing this resolves most sync issues before resorting to manual installs or reboots. You finish by allowing the download and watching the install progress. Don't interrupt the TV during this step because partial installs can corrupt the app. Once installed, open the app or reboot the TV to ensure the new binaries load correctly. If the update fails, clear the App Store cache, try updating again, or uninstall and reinstall the app. As a last resort, use a vetted APK on a USB drive, but make sure you trust the source, because sideloading risks security and stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.